Alright. They say pepper is supposed to make you sneeze. It usually gets my nose running. So far, I'm just a little tickled. Oh, that was a lot. I feel it a little bit, but I gotta get some more. Oh yeah, it's coming. I can feel it. I'm gonna have to blow my nose in a minute. Oh man. Excuse me. Do I have another one coming? Yummy.